More often than not, app crashing is one of the issues that Android users were facing for the past several years. Although this is just a minor problem, but sometimes it's very complicated to fix it, especially if you are not a tech-savvy person. So, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to fix TikTok that keeps crashing on Realme C12. In this video, I will give you a couple of ways on how to fix this issue on your TikTok app. Here's how. The first thing that you should do is to check if there's available update on your TikTok app. From the home screen, tap Play Store. Now, search TikTok. If there's available update, tap Update. Wait for a while until the update is finished. When the update is finished, tap Open and observe if your TikTok app will crash. If so, follow the next step. In this method, we will try to reset your TikTok app. Meaning, we have to delete all those caches and data stored on the app, so that newer ones will be created. Here's how. From the home screen, tap and hold TikTok. Tap App Info. Tap Storage Usage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap OK. That's how it takes on how to fix such issue on your TikTok app. I hope this tutorial helps. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.